Well, we're on an adventure today. What are we doing today, Kristen?
Going to Seedy Sunday.
Woohoo! Seedy Sunday. We came last year to Aspley here, the public library. So we're going to go in and check out some seeds and do some sweet seed swaps and see what else there is. You want to say hi, Ainsley?
Hello!
Oh, someone's excited. Okay, we'll go inside and check out what they have. It's a pretty good turnout. Lots of good vendors. Some dahlias, a worm composter, and a jaw. These guys are kind of cool. They're matcha seeds. Looks like a lot of goodies in here today, so let's see what we got here to swap out. Dahlias. All right, so this is Lee, one of my friends from Gellert Farm Gardens. He saves seeds and he sells them at the seed swap, as I just showed you with the seeds. So, Lee, how did you get into doing this seed saving?
We've been farmers. My grandparents were farmers. My
Okay.
parents, great grandparents.
Yeah,
Naturally saved some seeds.
right on.
Yeah,
And it just kind of stemmed from there.
Just grew from there. Every
Right.
year had a garden, so.
Right on.
Yeah.
And what's your best seller?
Sweet potatoes are definitely a big seller.
Yeah, I need to order those one day. I haven't got to that yet.
They should be open this week.
All right. So yeah, if you guys want the sweet potato slips, he's the man to get them from. He's local, just outside of Haliburton. And I'll show you his link here and everything. So if you want to order any seeds, sweet potato slips, feel free to look him up, and he would appreciate the business and help a local guy out. There you go.
Thanks very much.
Well, have a great day.
Yeah, have